Hey foodies, welcome back. Come on in, let's cook some Trini style chicken pilau. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's start by marinating our chicken. It has already been washed. Here I will be using some garlic and onion powder, some chicken seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, seasoned salt, and complete seasoning. I will also be adding some fresh green seasoning to this. Once everything is added, mix well and set aside to marinate for a few hours. If you have the time and you can let this go overnight, that will be best. Now let's take a look at the rest of our ingredients. Here I have some garlic, onions, ginger. I'll be using some shadow benny or culantro, some thyme, scallion, parsley, bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers. I have chicken broth, coconut milk, pumpkin, carrots. I'll be using some parboiled rice. I have pigeon peas, red peas, brown sugar. And here I have some chicken bouillon, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, complete seasoning, and seasoned salt. So to a pot, I added some oil and then in with some brown sugar. Allow that to caramelize a bit. Once it reaches the desired color that I like, I will add my chicken in there. Allow the chicken to sit for a few seconds and then you'll begin to toss it very well. Like I said, you want to toss this very well. And once it is nicely coated with the caramelized sugar, you will sit the lid on and allow it to simmer until all the juices have been released. Once the moisture is released, you want to leave it uncovered and allow it to evaporate a bit before we move on with the next step. Next, you want to add your herbs and aromatics, give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Now in with our carrots and pumpkin, we will also add our peas and our washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. Give everything a good mix and make sure it's well combined. Now in with our coconut milk, and we'll also add the seasoning here for flavor and taste. You want to taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. Once that is added, we will come in with our chicken broth. You could also use water here if you prefer. Once the chicken broth is added, you want to give everything a good stir. We will add our hot peppers here and we will cover this and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat until our rice is nice and tender. And remember, periodically you want to go in and give it a stir just to make sure nothing is burning and everything is being cooked evenly. Cover and allow it to continue cooking. And this is about it. This is how I like my chicken pilau. I like it wet. But if you like yours on the drier side, you can continue cooking it for a longer period of time. I will now garnish with some fresh herbs. And yeah, I can plate this up and enjoy. Today, I paired mine up with some fried ripe plantains, a fresh garden salad, and some potato salad. This was mouth-watering delicious and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.